Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can install TikTok on your iPad. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, use the search feature and type in TikTok. You should see displayed in the search results, and you'll notice you have two options. You have the option of getting TikTok, and you also have the option of getting TikTok Lite. So the difference between the two options or the two apps is that one uses less data and one is smaller than the other. So for example, any features that you'll find in the normal TikTok app are not available in TikTok Lite. So choose whichever app suits your needs and tap on it to view the app details. From here, if it's your first time installing it, you would need to select Get. And once you've tapped on Get, then you would double click on the side button to confirm the installation and use your Face ID or Apple password to continue. So once the app is installing, then you can now read through the app details. For example, you can see the app ratings, the developer, as well as the app size. You can scroll down and you can see any events that are currently happening, as well as the preview of the app, the editor notes, and the ratings and reviews. If you scroll further down, you can see your app privacy, as well as the information and what it supports, as well as other apps that you might like based on your current installation. So you can read through all of this as you wait for TikTok to be installed onto your iPad. So finally, once the app has been installed, tap on Open to launch it. So from here, you'll now need to sign in, giving permission for your terms of service. You can give permission for notifications. Then you can choose your interests or you can skip it. Then from here, you can now start using TikTok. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.